ECOVACS Winbot W2 Omni Review, the ultimate robotic window cleaner? Keeping windows spotless can be a hassle, but the ECOVACS Winbot W2 Omni offers a smart, hands-free solution. This robotic window cleaner is designed for effortless cleaning with intelligent navigation, powerful suction, and advanced spray technology. But is it worth it? Let's dive in. Design and features. The Winbot W2 Omni stands out with its sleek white design and portable station, which serves as a charger, stabilizer, and control panel. It runs on a high-capacity lithium battery, providing 110 minutes of operation, perfect for cleaning up to 55 square meters without needing a power outlet. Equipped with WinSlam 4.0 technology, it intelligently plans its cleaning path, ensuring full coverage. The 5500 PA suction power keeps it firmly attached to the window, while the three-nozzle wide-angle spray atomization effectively removes dirt with a 100% increase in water pressure and 90% wider spray coverage compared to the previous model. Performance and usability. This window cleaning robot is easy to control using the ECOVACS Home app or remote. It features 5 cleaning modes to tackle different levels of grime. The edge cleaning mode improves edge cleanliness by 65%, making it great for full window coverage. Plus, the 12-stage safety system prevents falls and slippage, ensuring peace of mind. Pros and cons. Pros: cordless operation with long battery life. Intelligent path planning for efficient cleaning. Powerful suction, 5500 PA, for stability. Effective spray technology for deep stain removal. Multiple cleaning modes and remote control. Cons: requires manual placement on windows. Best suited for smooth glass surfaces only. A bit bulky at 15.34 pounds. The ECOVACS Winbot W2 Omni is a game changer for window cleaning, making it ideal for homeowners with large windows or hard-to-reach glass surfaces. If you're looking for a hassle-free, efficient, and smart cleaning solution, this is worth considering. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.